Okay guys, you got one. Jordan almost had one. Her bobber's moving. Jordan! Nope, not yet, not yet. Reel in slack. You got one!
Yeah. You got him. Oh, he just blew up.
Right there, Jordan had one. Jordan.
Good.
Catch one?
Yeah.
Here, let's go down here. Let's go down.
Okay, 12 inches.
You got a nice bass.
Yeah. But not 12 inches.
Not 12 inches. Nope.
That means I can't hold it. Alright.
You want to hold it?
I'll touch it.
Okay.
Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Keep fighting.
No, come on.
Uh-oh, he's getting in the weeds.
Okay, a little bit closer. Okay. Yeah.
Now that's a big bass again.
Look at that.
What's
girl.
your problem with catching all the big ones? He took your minnow.
Yeah, he actually swallowed her.
Oh, it swallowed it.
The minnow.
Oh, it swallowed the minnow, yeah. How's it going, Jordan? She got a big one with a minnow.
No,
Whoa!
yeah.
That's a good one.
That's probably close to 12 inches.
Let's measure it.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, it is. Show it to the camera. What do you have?
A bass.
On a minnow.
That one's more on it.
Nice. You want to unhook him?
I'm not sure about it.
Okay, guys. Just caught a green sunfish. Sorry, I forgot to turn on the video. He swallowed it. Just gonna rotate from over here. Hey guys, right here, we're at the pond still. I got a worm on with a bobber and a weight. Let's go try to catch some fish. Over here, there's just a, oh, there right there was a frog, but over here there's a spot that I found last time that had some bluegill. So I'm gonna try to set you up on a thing of grass, and then maybe, or on a limb or something. This will be cut out of the video, but I'm gonna try to find a nice spot for y'all. To set up. Dan's put on a hook. I'm gonna put on a worm. I mean, not a worm, sorry. Minnows. Let's catch one. Got one. Nice minnow. Put them on and then we'll cast them out. Where's your fish?
You did that one all by yourself.
Over there.
The only thing you
What'd you
got
catch them on?
worm.
Yeah, worm.
Oh.
He's a good one. He got stuck in a lot of weeds, didn't he? Okay.
I didn't know you were videoing. I would have stopped the talk.
Guys, I didn't even get to start the video, but we're at this pond. I caught a bass already. So, hopefully you get more. I'll show you if we do. This one, since I don't have the right camera, will just be clips of stuff. So, yeah.